Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Anca and I do art and illustration related videos. So if you're into that, make sure you subscribe and check out the other videos on my channel. So today is Saturday. I am filming a weekend studio vlog. I launched some new products last week in my shop and they went live last night. So I will be packing a bunch of orders and I will be also packing my Patreon rewards for this month. So I wanted to show you guys what the Patreon reward includes this month, in case you are curious to check out my Patreon. So I made like these earrings. I made 10 pairs for my $15 patrons and up, and they are different earrings. So I have the hands one, the envelope one, but I do have a video where I made them, so I will link it somewhere in the description box. And they will also be getting a sticker sheet from my new shop update and the new thank you cards, which are super cute. And they are already packed, most of them. I just need to do an original painting for my $30 tier, which I think I will be doing tomorrow. I recently purchased the jelly gouache that you have seen probably everywhere on YouTube, and so I got this huge jelly gouache from Arrtx, I don't know how it's called. I haven't even opened it yet. It's so heavy, it's so big, but yeah, I'm thinking of doing like a small review in this video of it as well. So I will be painting a small original and maybe using this and sharing my opinions about it and stuff like that. So yeah, that's pretty much what you will be seeing in the studio vlog. My weekends are pretty much the same all the time, and yeah, by the end of the month I just end up packing Patreon rewards and orders if I do have any. So I wanted to show you guys some of the orders. So it seems that the washi tape, which you have seen me launch, has been a really popular choice from the shop update. And I do want to say that I'm including some temporary tattoo sheets with any order over $20. So if you are interested in that, I will leave my shop in the description box. But I did want to share a bit about my mental health. I don't know. I don't really like to talk about very sensitive subjects on my channel. I feel it's a place where you can go and enjoy some illustrations and some cute animals, and I don't get very deep too often. But with this shop update, I was expecting a lot more feedback from people, and I know I just launched it last night, and I'm very grateful for the orders I got, but I put a lot of effort into these new products, and I feel like nobody's listening. And I'm not sure if it's because of the algorithm on YouTube and on Instagram. My YouTube views have not been very great lately, and I feel I'm putting so much effort into my content and trying to create the very best things I can, and it seems that literally nobody is listening, or very few people. Let's not say nobody, but it kind of feels disheartening at times. And I guess I woke up today feeling a bit off because of this, and I don't know if I'm the only one going through this, if it's the pandemic, if it's just a bad algorithm, or I don't know. The point is, I'm very grateful for the people who are on my Patreon. They have been my biggest supporters for years now, and I don't know how to thank them enough. That's why I made this custom jewelry for them, which I won't think I will be adding to my shop anytime soon. And I try to make really unique things for them, and I hope they see that with every package I send. And also, even if you don't get a package, I still try to post really interesting stuff, for me at least, and try to keep everybody interested in what I'm doing. But it is hard at times. it's hard to come up with new illustrations, new products, new videos, while having a full-time job, while trying to maintain your house and see friends and family. And yeah, I guess I'm feeling overwhelmed today, but that's fine. I have felt like this before, and it usually goes away. So yeah, that was my rant of the month. It's such a beautiful day outside. I think I'm gonna pack these and maybe go out with the bicycle and maybe film the painting part tomorrow. I'm really excited to try these new gouache, jelly gouache things. I know I'm very late to the game, but I was very curious to try them. And yeah, I'm excited about new art supplies. So I'll let you watch the rest of the vlog. It's very much about me packing, cooking and stuff like that. I hope you enjoyed this video, and my one thing that I would like you to know is that you shouldn't feel disheartened, even if you feel you're not getting the attention you want, or you feel like your work is not valued. We live in a such fast-paced world where every day you have to create new content, new things, pump out everything, has to be perfect, has to look professional, and it's just not realistic for artists. And I've seen a couple of artists talk about this on Instagram. It's what I call it, the Instagram movement, where you have to post every day. And as an artist, it's hard to post every day because you won't create your best work every day. It's not like taking a selfie or an outfit of the day picture. It's a lot harder for us artists, and I wish there was a platform that supported more quality work and less consumerism, I guess. So yeah, these are my thoughts. And I'll just leave it at that. Let me know your thoughts in the comments about this, and keep watching the rest of the video if you are interested. I will probably do this part first in the video and then the whole packing stuff later. So yeah, I love hearing from you. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.